Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Today let's prepare my style butter pav bhaji. Less vegetables, lots of butter, yummy in taste and a mouth-watering recipe. For this you need 4 to 5 medium-sized potato boiled and smashed, 2 medium-sized tomato chopped, 1 and a half medium-sized onion chopped, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, half inch ginger chopped and 1 tablespoon coriander finely chopped, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon pav bhaji masala. I am using Everest pav bhaji masala. 2 tablespoon butter. Take a mixer jar, add chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, green chilies, ginger and garlic and grind it to a fine paste. Heat a kadai with 2 teaspoon oil on low flame. Add 1 tablespoon butter. As the butter melts, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon jeera, a pinch of hing or asafoetida and give it a nice mix. Once the mustard seeds and jeera start splattering, add the puree which we had grinded earlier. Keep the gas on low flame, else this will splatter out. Add the remaining puree and give it a nice mix. Close the lid and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. In between, just check if the puree is not burnt. Give it a nice stir and again cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it separates from the kadai. Now you can see our puree is nicely cooked and it is easily separating from the kadai. All the moisture is gone and our puree is well cooked. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon pav bhaji masala, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste and a little jaggery. I am adding jaggery, you can also add sugar, whichever is preferable to you, and then give it a nice mix. Let the spices get mixed with the cooked puree and now cook this masala for about 1 to 2 minutes. Let this process be done on low flame. Do not increase the flame, else the masala will be burnt. Now add the boiled and smashed potato to this masala. Now mix this well with the masala so that all the boiled and smashed potatoes are evenly coated with the masala which we have prepared earlier. With the help of pav bhaji smasher, smash it very well so that you can get a nice homogeneous mixture. Now you can see our potatoes are smashed very well and a nice homogeneous mixture is formed. To this add water so that you get the perfect consistency of the bhaji. Give it a nice stir so that all the lumps are being broken down. At this stage, if you still feel your bhaji is very thick, you can add some more water to it to get to a thinner consistency. Do keep your bhaji at a thinner consistency, not too thin, not too thick. Keep it at the medium thin consistency because once the bhaji is cooked and kept, it becomes thicker. So cook it accordingly. Now add the remaining 1 tablespoon butter to your bhaji and add 1 tablespoon finely chopped coriander and cook this for about another 5 minutes. Close the lid and allow this bhaji to nicely boil and coriander butter flavors are mixed well with the bhaji. Our mouth-watering butter pav bhaji is ready to be served. Enjoy this delicious and spicy, yummy in taste butter pav bhaji with your family and friends. Try this out and share your experience. Thank you for watching my channel. Check and subscribe my channel for more such my style and interesting recipes.